WordPress is a popular open-source content management system, CMS, that allows users to create and manage websites easily. It was first launched in 2003 and has since grown to power over 40% of websites on the internet. WordPress offers a user-friendly interface, a vast library of customizable themes, and a wide range of plugins for various functionalities. WordPress e-commerce solutions refer to the tools and platforms that enable businesses to sell products or services online through their WordPress website. These solutions typically include shopping cart functionality, secure payment gateways, inventory management, and other features necessary for running an online store. In this step-by-step guide for beginners, we will discuss setting up an e-commerce store using WordPress in 2024. Step 1. Choose a reliable web host. A web host is responsible for storing your website's files and making them accessible to users on the internet. Select a reputable hosting provider that offers WordPress-specific hosting plans for optimal performance and security. Step 2. Install WordPress. Most web hosts provide one-click WordPress installation. If not, you can manually install WordPress by downloading the software from WordPress.org, uploading it to your web host, and following the installation wizard. Step 3. Select an e-commerce plugin. WordPress offers several e-commerce plugins, but the most popular and widely used is WooCommerce. Install and activate the WooCommerce plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Step 4. Configure WooCommerce settings. After activating WooCommerce, you will be guided through a setup wizard. Choose your preferred currency, location, and other essential settings. You can always return to the WooCommerce settings page to make additional changes. Step 5. Choose a theme. Select a visually appealing and responsive theme for your online store. Many free and premium themes are available on the official WordPress theme repository or third-party marketplaces. Ensure the chosen theme is compatible with WooCommerce and customizable to suit your brand. Step 6. Add products. Create product listings by navigating to the Products menu in your WordPress dashboard. Add essential details such as product name, description, price, and images. You can also categorize products and create variations if needed. Step 7. Configure payment gateways. WooCommerce supports various payment gateways including PayPal, Stripe, and others. Set up the desired payment methods by configuring their respective plugins or extensions within your WordPress dashboard. Step 8. Secure your site. Ensure your website is secure by installing an SSL certificate, using strong passwords, and keeping your WordPress core, plugins, and themes up to date. You may also consider installing a security plugin for added protection. Step 9. Optimize for search engines, SEO. Improve your online store's visibility by optimizing it for search engines. Use relevant keywords in your product descriptions, titles, and tags. Install an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO to help with on-page optimization. Step 10. Launch and promote your store. Once your store is ready, launch it and start promoting your products and services through various marketing channels such as social media, email campaigns, and paid advertising. Monitor your store's performance using analytics tools like Google Analytics to identify areas for improvement and growth opportunities. In summary, setting up an e-commerce store using WordPress in 2024 involves choosing a reliable web host, installing WordPress, selecting an e-commerce plugin, such as WooCommerce, configuring settings, choosing a theme, adding products, setting up payment gateways, securing your site, optimizing for search engines, and launching and promoting your store. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a successful online business using WordPress and its e-commerce solutions.